Medical malpractice can simply be defined as a medical professional that violates patient safety rules. Medical malpractice can change someone's life because usually the patient has a severe injury from the medical malpractice and they're bedridden or even die. All medical professionals can be held liable for medical malpractice cases. We've had malpractice cases against doctors, nurses, physical therapists, pharmacists, hospitals, and even parent companies of hospitals. Doctors are human beings that make mistakes, and just because there's a bad outcome doesn't mean it's medical malpractice. But there are established standards of care and safety rules for patient safety, and if a doctor violates those safety rules, they should be held accountable for the medical malpractice. Clients that come in to see me for medical malpractice cases are very stressed out and worried about their future. They're worried about lost wages, medical benefits, and whether they're going to recover from the injuries sustained in the medical malpractice. If a medical malpractice case is successful, a client could recover lost wages, medical bills, pain and suffering, and future damages for the limitations that they have. At our law firm, we work up medical malpractice cases like they'll go to trial. That's the way to get the insurance companies and the doctors to take the case seriously. So we present all of our cases to a focus group, focus jurors, to help us present their case in a positive light to the judge, juries, and insurance companies. I have over 36 years in medical malpractice experience. I started out representing hospitals and insurance companies and doctors, and I didn't like doing it, so I switched sides of the ball, and now I represent patients. Our clients come to us in the time of need. They've been injured and they have medical bills, lost wages, pain, suffering, and they need someone to deal with an insurance company that's looking to save money for their company. We have experience in doing that, and we'd be happy to help clients in need. Our current and past clients will say that we were compassionate in our representation. We would communicate the process to them. We would answer all their questions, and that we would fight hard to get them fair compensation. Client communication is extremely important to our law firm. We have a firm rule that we return phone calls and emails within 24 hours. If we're on a trial, then our assistants will let the clients know that it may be later in the week until we return their call or email, but someone from the office will return their call or email within 24 hours. Nimmons, Malco & Johnson is a small firm with big results. We have 5 lawyers and 4 paralegals, and it's advantageous to work with a small firm because you get to know the clients personally. They get to know the staff and the lawyers in the law firm. You're not just a number in our law firm like some of the larger television law firms. Our firm is different from other firms because we work the case up like it's going to trial. We present our case to mock juries to help get feedback, to make better presentations to judges and juries and insurance companies. We're the only law firm in the area that has their own mock trial room, and we conduct focus juries monthly to get focus jurors' feedbacks on how to better present the case in court. In your initial consultation for a medical malpractice case, we'll get your prior medical history, we'll review any medical records you have, we'll have you sign medical releases so we can obtain your medical records. We'll explain the medicine of your case, and we'll let you know the process of hiring an expert witness to have the medical records reviewed.